Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin. Today is Wednesday, March 24th, 2021, and today's topic we're going to know how to tell a story, a storytelling. We're going to see storytelling. This story can be true, cannot be true, but today we're going to make stories that are fantasy, are from a tale, or that are not true. So, what words do we use? This is for tell a story. We need to have a sequence, so we use sequencing words. We start with once upon a time, and there is where we describe the person or the character or the protagonist of our story. For example, once upon a time, a little girl named Alice was in the forest resting. Then we use first. Well, you can use first, or you can use first as telling what she was doing or what was the character doing or what was coming on. For telling the story of Alice, first she was resting in the forest, but suddenly she saw a rabbit. Then we use secondly to tell what happened next. Secondly, she followed the rabbit to a hole and fell into a wonderland. Then he met a lot of people and make new friends. Later, she got in trouble with a red queen and almost died. But finally, she get out of the wonderland and went to her mom. Sorry. So right, and that in this moment I told you the story of Alice in Wonderland, but very short. So these are the words that we use at the beginning of the paragraph to tell the story. We use this word and a sentence to describe what's happening. But let me show you how we do it. For example, here, how do you think we start with this sequence? So first, the cat sees the milk. Secondly, the cat wants the milk. Then the cat throws the milk into the floor. Then later the woman sees the cat and gets angry. And finally, the cat get out before he was hit off. As you can see, there is a cat going on. But this is only to show you how the sequence works. Let's see how we practice with this telling a story. Our characters are these little mice and that butterfly. So, once upon a time in a forest, there was a little mice looking for a friend. She was looking for a friend in the forest, walking and walking. Secondly, she started hearing screams of help. Help me, help me. It was a butterfly that was trapped in a spider web and she was asking for help. Then, the little mice, this is a mice, helped the butterfly to get out. Sorry for my draws. then the mice help the butterfly to get out of the spiderweb. Later, the mice and the butterfly celebrated and play a little bit yeah. And finally, the mice and the butterfly went home, but they became the best friends ever. Yeah, that's a story, no? That I just invented. So tomorrow, each of you is going to invent a story with the characters, the puppets, and you're going to act it out. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video and see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.